Keto Noodles Masterclass, easy, healthy, and delicious homemade recipe. With the rise of ketogenic living, many have turned to creative solutions to enjoy noodles without the carb-heavy consequences. This guide provides a comprehensive look into making delicious, keto-friendly noodles from scratch. These noodles are not just a fantastic low-carb alternative, they're also surprisingly simple to make and can be a healthier option for anyone looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. Ingredients: 1½ cups of mozzarella cheese, shredded, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 large egg, 1 cup of almond flour, a pinch of salt. Instructions: 1. Preparation: start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Then, prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking. 2. Make the cheese dough. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the mozzarella and cream cheese. Microwave them for about 60 seconds or until they are easily stirrable. 3. Add egg and almond flour. Crack the egg into your cheese mixture and add the almond flour and salt. Stir everything until it forms a sticky dough. If the dough is too sticky, you can add a bit more almond flour, but do this sparingly to keep the carbs low. 4. Form the noodles. Wet your hands to prevent sticking and take a portion of the dough. Roll it into a thin, snake-like shape. Then, using a knife or pizza cutter, slice the dough into thin noodle strips. 5. Bake the noodles. Spread the noodles on the prepared baking sheet, ensuring they don't touch each other. Bake in the preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are firm and slightly golden. 6. Cool and serve. Allow the noodles to cool slightly after baking. Once cooled, you can use them as you would any other pasta. Toss them in your favorite keto-friendly sauces, like a rich Alfredo or a zesty marinara made with sugar-free tomatoes. Nutritional insight: keto noodles, especially those made with cheese and almond flour, offer more than just a low-carb alternative. This can be particularly beneficial for those on a ketogenic diet, as it aligns with the diet's macronutrient ratios. Versatility and tips: you can adjust the flavor by adding herbs or spices to the dough, such as garlic powder, Italian seasoning, or even a pinch of cayenne for heat. They pair beautifully with a variety of sauces and can be incorporated into many dishes, from soups to casseroles. In conclusion, embracing a keto lifestyle does not mean abandoning your love for pasta. With this keto noodle recipe, you can enjoy a delicious and satisfying alternative that aligns with your dietary needs. Whether you're strictly following a ketogenic diet or just looking to reduce your carb intake, these homemade keto noodles are a delightful option that doesn't compromise on taste or texture.